Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now we're going to go take a look at a planting location, and we're going to plant some garlic cloves. It is recommended that you either plant in spring or fall when you're planting in Florida, and you have to use specific varieties. But we're not going to do that today. We're just going to plant right now, and it needs well-drained soil with a pH between 6 and 7. Well, that's all I have is well-drained soil, so this should work out to our favor. I'm going to choose a spot here in our raised bed, and we'll see what we can get going. Also, they suggest that it's like a stratification process. Basically, you just stick your garlic cloves in the fridge for 10 to 12 weeks. I haven't done that at all. And they want red varieties of garlics that are supposedly ones that grow well in Florida. I don't have that. I just have the stuff that I bought from the grocery store. So we're really just going to do this as an experiment. I want to see what I can get away with and how big the garlic gets. If it doesn't get that big, so what? I'm not trying to grow record-breaking garlic here. I just want to grow garlic. So let's get to it. Alright, there we go. We broke the cloves all apart off of a big clove bundle like this, and then we stuck them in the ground only about like an inch and a half apart, all through this little trench that we dug. Like I said, this is just an experiment. I want to see the resilience capacity of these garlic plants, and I want to see how big they get. You know, when you don't really do anything with them and you just water them. Anyhow, folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That helps us out a lot. We need it. And stay tuned, as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these garlic plants. Have a good day.